Hi, Alice here, and I'm with my friend
Bonnie Rolfe.
We are looking forward to sharing with you a house plant container gardening hack. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
I go to a lot of thrift stores and I see these beautiful plant pots, and they don't have drainage holes. And I heard that you could drill holes with a diamond bit, but the diamond bits are quite expensive. Another friend said you could do it with the masonry bit if you submerge the pot in water. And I have done it that way, and it does work.
That's great. That could save you a bunch of money.
It could.
And it also gives you the option to go shopping at thrift stores. Sometimes friends say, hey, can I pass this pot on to you? And you look at it, oh, there are no drainage holes. I'm not sure I'm going to be using this. So this really offers you a lot of flexibility. Why don't you show us how it's done?
Okay, now we're ready to drill some pots. You need a 5-gallon bucket. Any 5-gallon bucket will do. And fill it so that when you turn your plant pot upside down in the pot, the water will cover the top of the pot.
So that's about what, halfway?
Yeah.
And then what equipment are we going to use?
Okay. Just about everybody has one of these in their home now, the battery-operated drill. This is a DeWalt Maximum. And this is the masonry bit. And I don't know if you can see, it has, instead of coming down to a point, it has more of a little, I don't know if you call it flat or angled surface on the end. Then I've got this battery in here. I'm not sure how much we have in here, but I have another backup battery if we need it.
Hey, so that's it on the equipment?
That's it to the pots.
So what's the next step? You got the setup, you got your drill.
Yeah, these were some of the pots that I managed to pick up. All right.
We've got a nice terracotta pot. Can we take a look at it?
Sure.
All right.
What is it, about 2.5 inches deep?
Yeah, and that's usually used as a
drain.
Sometimes it's easy to find these. And let's just see how this works. So it's in the
bottom of the pot.
And you've got it covered with water.
Mm-hmm.
And here we go. Let's try it out.
Let's try. Oh, I got to lean on it to...
Yeah.
I don't think I'm just strong enough.
That looks like you got through.
And we have a hole.
Voila. Can you hold it up?
Sure.
So we have one hole, and it would be nice to have a couple more.
Couple more? Okay.
And let's do that.
You got to really lean on that drill. It needs some info behind it.
And let's see how that turned out.
Maybe you can see it better from this side.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Now, will that be enough for succulents, or do you actually need 2?
I've only always done 1 with mine, and they're thriving out there, so...
So as long as you make sure, after you've done a deep watering, to let them drain for 5 minutes, so that the water
drains. You could just put them right in your dish drainer and just let them sit there until they've stopped dripping, and then take it back out. I don't really have a recommendation for the pot itself. If you can get them cheap enough, I'd try it with anything. If it doesn't work, you can use it for something else. You can redonate it, because these are usually cheap, $1 and under at some thrift stores have gone crazy now and are terribly expensive, but you can play with it. You can experiment.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Any last minute tip that you would say if somebody's planning to do this themselves?
Yes, if you have a husband, let him do the drilling. He's stronger. He can lean in on that bad boy more.
Or a partner.
Yes.
Strong.
I'm not strong anymore.
And it looked like having your drill fully charged so it didn't run out, it didn't get weaker or whatever.
Right.
Was really the key to that. So thank you so much.
Oh.
This is a great gardening hack. And there are a lot of pots that I have around that I can now put into service now that I know what to do. So thanks again.
Welcome.